Okay, so as you know by the title, this is just a short and simple DIY video to show you how to change the engine oil. I'm sure many of you already know that. So if you know that, or if you are looking for interesting travel content, come back to the next vlog and I will definitely post something interesting for you. So changing your engine oil is actually a very simple process. You just need to place a vessel in below this drain bolt, loosen this drain bolt and let the engine oil drip and empty first. So let's do that. To do this, you actually need the 18 size spanner that you see here. It fits into your drain bolt nut and just twist it like that so that the drain bolt completely comes out, and let the engine oil drip slowly. So it has also the oil strainer inside, so you need to take out the oil strainer, okay, so that the engine oil drips faster as well. You should also clean this oil strainer as well, because this is where all the metal filings and stuff are supposed to get accumulated. So just clean it, verify that there are not too much metal filings, that's all.
इसको साफ करने के लिए सिर्फ पेट्रोल में डुबो कर रखो या पेट्रोल से आप इसको साफ कर सकते हो.
As the oil continues to drip on this side, let us go to this side and change the oil filter, because that's the step 2 that we're going to do. If you're not aware, this is the place where the engine oil filter is there. This is a Bosch skill screwdriver set that I carry around generally on long tours, and this helps me open most of the parts of my motorcycle. So as I showed you, that's the oil filter bolt. You just need to unscrew these two bolts, take out the oil filter. Be sure that you have already purchased another oil filter for replacement. Place the bowl below the oil filter, because when you open the oil filter there will be a little bit of oil that will drip, so you don't want to get your floor dirty. You'd need a nose pliers to pull this oil filter out, because it's pretty inside. So that was the old oil filter. And then if possible you should clean the inside portion of this oil seal compartment. Okay, you can just use a piece of clean cloth to completely clear out the compartment. That's about it. Once the engine oil is completely dripped, so have your new oil filter handy once the oil has completely drained out, and then install the new oil filter. You just need to take the oil filter and push it inside until it completely fits into that compartment. Push it in and fit it into that compartment. And then it's time to seal the oil filter compartment. Make sure the bolts are tightened firmly, because you do not want engine oil dripping out from this compartment. So once you are done sealing the oil filter compartment, verify that the oil strainer is completely clean, there are no metal filings in it, and then put it back into the drain bolt. Make sure that you tighten your engine oil drain bolt firmly. Once that's done, now it's time to fill in the new red blood. Well, as you already know, I have always preferred Motul 7100 as the engine oil, and you would need one complete 1 liter bottle of the Motul engine oil, and you need to keep another 1 liter bottle because it consumes around 1.25 liters or something like that. So just take note of the level of the engine oil here that you see. Take note of the level of the engine oil and fill it up to the mark, that's all. That's it, you're done. Just tighten the cap back on and you're ready to go.